go-to channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of beauty and tranquility. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you ready to transform your outdoor space from a simple patio into a breathtaking, tranquil sanctuary? If you're looking for that one element that can add a touch of magic and serenity to your backyard, then you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the world of patio water features, a must-have for any home decor enthusiast. But first, what exactly do we mean by a patio water feature? Well, it's essentially any element that incorporates moving water into your outdoor living area. This can be anything from a simple bird bath to an elaborate multi-tiered fountain, a sleek modern waterfall, or even a natural-looking pond with a stream. The beauty of a water feature is its versatility. It can be a small, self-contained unit or a large, integrated part of your overall landscape design. And why should you consider adding one to your patio? The benefits are truly remarkable. A patio water feature is more than just a decorative element. It's a sensory experience. The gentle, rhythmic sound of flowing water is incredibly soothing, helping to mask unwanted noises from traffic or neighbors and creating a peaceful, relaxing atmosphere. It can instantly reduce stress and provide a calm backdrop for quiet evenings or lively gatherings. Beyond the sound, a water feature adds a dynamic visual element, reflecting light and adding a sense of movement and life to your space. It also attracts local wildlife like birds and butterflies, bringing a natural ecosystem right to your doorstep. Lastly, it significantly boosts your home's curb appeal and can even increase its value. Now, you might be wondering, how do I make my patio water feature look its best? The key is to treat it as the centerpiece of your outdoor design. Start by considering the scale of your patio and choosing a feature that fits comfortably without overwhelming the space. For a cohesive look, integrate it with the surrounding elements. Use complementary materials like stone, wood, and plants to create a harmonious aesthetic. For example, if you have a modern patio, choose a minimalist, clean-lined waterfall. If your style is more rustic or traditional, a stone fountain or a natural rock waterfall will be a perfect fit. Don't forget about lighting. Strategic lighting, whether it's submerged lights in the water or spotlights on the feature, can dramatically enhance its beauty and make it a stunning focal point, especially at night. Finally, surround it with lush, well-maintained plants to soften the edges and make the feature feel like a natural part of your garden. So, what are the best types of water features for a patio? Here's a list of some of the most popular and impactful options. First, self-contained fountains. These are perfect for small spaces and come in countless styles, from classical tiered designs to modern sphere shapes. Second, cascading waterfalls. A classic choice that creates a dramatic, relaxing sound. They can be built into a wall or integrated into a rockery. Third, ponds. Ideal for larger patios, a pond can be home to aquatic plants and fish, creating a miniature ecosystem. Fourth, bubbling rocks or urns. A simple, elegant option where water bubbles up from a rock or container and trickles back down. Fifth, wall fountains. A great space-saving solution, these are mounted directly onto a wall, creating a beautiful sheet or stream of water. Sixth, rain curtains. A very modern and minimalist option where water falls in fine, even streams from a horizontal fixture, creating a shimmering veil. Now that you're armed with the knowledge, let's get inspired. We've put together our top 10 best patio water feature ideas to help you envision your perfect outdoor sanctuary. Let's take a look. 1. Natural rock waterfall for a pool. This water feature brings the beauty of a natural stream or creek right to your swimming pool. Large, strategically placed boulders create a multi-tiered waterfall, with water tumbling from various heights into the pool below. The design feels organic and effortless, blending seamlessly with the tropical foliage. This waterfall not only adds a visually stunning element but also provides a relaxing, rushing sound that complements the aquatic environment, transforming a simple pool into a resort-like escape. 2. Tiered stone fountain in a lush garden. A classic and timeless choice, this tiered stone fountain exudes traditional charm. Nestled amidst a lush, verdant garden with a mix of leafy shrubs, boxwood hedges, and a tall, graceful tree, it creates a sense of a secret, enchanted garden. The gentle sound of the water cascading from one level to the next adds a peaceful auditory element, perfect for a quiet afternoon. The small bistro table and chairs offer a cozy spot to enjoy a cup of coffee and immerse oneself in nature. 3. Stone waterfall with pond and fire pit. This incredible design perfectly balances fire and water, creating a mesmerizing focal point. The modern geometric fire pit is surrounded by a serene reflective pool, while the dark, stacked stone pillar provides a striking visual anchor. The arrangement of the built-in seating area and the ambient lighting from inside the home make this a truly luxurious and inviting space, ideal for entertaining or quiet contemplation. The integration of the water feature with the home's architecture demonstrates a sophisticated and thoughtful approach to outdoor design. 4. Modern water wall with floating stone path. This contemporary water feature is a breathtaking combination of design and natural elements. A wide, continuous sheet of water cascades down a striking black slate wall, creating a mesmerizing sound and visual effect. The basin below is filled with smooth river stones, and a large, dark stone slab appears to float within the water, serving as a pathway. The warm, yellow-toned lighting from within the feature creates a stunning contrast against the dark materials, making this a bold and elegant statement piece. 5. Contemporary wall waterfall with pond. A simple yet stunning design, this contemporary wall waterfall features a sleek horizontal spout that creates a perfect sheet of water into a rectangular pond below. The clean, white stucco wall provides a stark and elegant backdrop, allowing the waterfall to be the star of the show. The subtle lighting within the pond adds a magical glow at night, highlighting the movement of the water. The surrounding minimalist landscaping and decking complete the modern aesthetic, making this a perfect addition to a small or urban garden. 6. Simple rock fountain with patio and fire pit. This design showcases how a water feature can be a beautiful and subtle addition to an existing patio. A small, bubbling rock fountain sits on a bed of dark stones, creating a quiet and peaceful centerpiece. The feature is surrounded by a large flagstone patio, leading to a simple, square fire pit with stone benches. The natural rustic feel is enhanced by the Adirondack chairs and the surrounding lush greenery. This layout is perfect for creating multiple zones for relaxation and conversation within a single space. 7. Illuminated stainless steel spheres with fountain. For a modern and artistic touch, this water feature is truly unique. 3 polished stainless steel spheres sit on a bed of dark river stones within a circular basin. At night, they are beautifully illuminated by blue spotlights, causing the water jets to glow in a stunning display. The reflective surfaces of the spheres catch the light and the surrounding scenery, creating an ever-changing visual spectacle. This design is a bold statement piece that works particularly well in a contemporary or minimalist landscape. 8. Tiered concrete waterfall with wall planters. This multi-level water feature is a stunning example of vertical landscaping and modern design. It features a series of cascading waterfalls and bubbling jets, all integrated into a terraced concrete wall. The design is enhanced by the incorporation of lush green foliage and planters, creating a vibrant contrast with the sleek, white surfaces. The clever use of ambient lighting highlights the flow of the water and the textures of the plants, making it a spectacular sight both day and night. 9. Multi-level modern concrete water channel. This water feature is a masterful example of clean, architectural design. A series of connected concrete basins and channels create a linear flow of water that cascades down multiple levels. The sleek lines and monochromatic palette complement the modern patio pavers and the built-in sofa. The different levels add a dynamic element to the landscape, guiding the eye and creating a gentle, soothing sound. This design proves that a water feature can be both beautiful and highly functional, seamlessly integrating into the patio's layout. 10. Rustic stone bench and fire pit with pond. This design masterfully blends rustic charm with comfortable living. A natural stone bench curves around a central fire pit, creating an intimate and inviting social hub. The adjacent small pond with a water feature adds a gentle, calming element to the space. The use of natural stone, flagstone pavers, and lush, low-lying plants gives the patio a warm and earthy feel. This design is perfect for creating a cozy, informal gathering space where guests can enjoy the best of both fire and water. And there you have it, 10 spectacular ideas to inspire your own patio transformation. A water feature is so much more than just a decoration. It's an investment in your well-being and the beauty of your home. Whether you choose a classic fountain or a modern waterfall, you're creating a space that invites you to relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. The tranquil sound of flowing water, the dynamic visuals, and the undeniable elegance they bring can turn any outdoor area into your personal oasis. So go ahead, find the design that speaks to you and start planning your perfect backyard escape. You won't regret it. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments which of these water features was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more incredible home and garden inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.